Body mass index, also known as BMI, is one parameter we use to assess overall health. To calculate BMI, we need to know two things. First, we need to know the height of an individual, and second, we need to know the weight. Here is a step-by-step on how to calculate BMI. On the left is how to calculate BMI with pounds and inches, and on the right is how to calculate BMI when your units are in kilograms and meters. So let's focus on the left first. You take the 150-pound female, the parameters are up above in bold, and you multiply that by just this arbitrary number of 703, and then you're going to divide by the height squared. And both of these equations always square the height. She's 5'8", so 5 feet, that's 12 inches or in 1 foot. So 5 times 12 is 60, plus another 8 is 68 inches in height. You're going to square that, you're going to get a big 4,000 number. Follow the math through and your BMI is going to be 22.8. One way that we can convert feet to meters in this example is you can take the 5 foot 8 inch female, who again is 68 inches, and we multiply this number by 0.0254. That's going to give us 1.73 meters. That's how we got 1.73 meters. And then to convert pounds to kilograms, we take our 150-pound female, multiply by 0.45. That's going to give us 67.5 kilograms, or I say 67.5 kgs. So if we follow the math through on the right side of the equation, again, the height is always squared in the denominator, or the bottom portion of the equation here. So you'll take 67.5 kilograms divided by 1.73 meters, height squared. You're going to follow the math through, and then you're going to get a BMI of 22.7. Now, I was doing some rounding and things like this, but you get the idea. The answer is essentially the same. So let me know, guys, do you use method 1 or method 2, and why? Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video.